At the age of 39, after working nearly 15 years at a leading software company on the West Coast, Ari Weiner and his soon-to-be wife, Mary Carpenter, had cashed in on their stock options, withdrawn all their savings, maxed out their credit card, and started their own business, naming it Top Dog Software. The two had developed the new software package, Root Cause Analysis, RCA, applications that were certain to be far more superior than anything else on the market at the time. Top Dog Software was particularly effective in the use of design engineering organizations because it provided a highly efficient way to eliminate problems in a new digital manufacturing process, including product development, software engineering, hardware design, manufacturing, and installation. The software, which could be used as a standalone product or easily integrated with other software packages, dramatically expedited problem identification and corrective actions in work of design engineering firms. The use of Top Dog RCA software would find an average of 30 to 50 root cause problems and provide 20 to 30 corrective actions that lowered deficits by 50%, saving tens and sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars with each application. The timing proved to be right on target. RCA was just getting hot, and Top Dog Software was poised to take advantage of the trend as a niche player in a growing market. Weiner and Carpenter brought two former colleagues as partners and were able to soon catch the attention of a future capitalist firm to gain additional funding. Within a couple of years, Top Dog Software had 28 employees and sales had reached nearly $4 million. Now, though, the partners were facing the company's first major problem. Samantha Jakins, the head of sales, has called a meeting with Weiner and Carpenter and the partners and employees to address the issue.
Alright guys, called you in today to discuss a major problem in our company's future. I just discovered a new company based out of Norway that is beta testing a new RCA package that promises to outpace ours. The company is called First Data and has been talking up its global aspirations in the press. If we continue to only focus on the US and do not go global, they will wipe us out within a matter of a couple of months. The only way for our company to survive is with an international strategy to compete with this kind of competition. Anyone have any suggestions?
I don't think we're ready to take that step yet. The company has already stretched its resources to the limit, and rapid growth expansion could be a problem. Another problem is none of our managers have international experience. We would have to get someone with significant global exposure to even think about entering a new market. Wouldn't you agree?
That's a good point, but we must consider all options here, and we very well may have to look into finding someone who has more experience and is willing to work outside of the United States. Our company should set up our own foreign offices and start from scratch with these new offices. We could penetrate markets around the world, but it would be quite expensive, not to mention the language barrier, cultural differences, and of course the legal implications. Anyone have any other suggestions?
We could establish alliances or joint ventures with small European and Asian companies that could benefit from adding RCA applications to their suite of products. With that, our company could share expenses in setting up foreign production facilities and global sales and distribution networks. However, it might also require lengthy negotiations that would certainly mean giving up some control to our partners.
That could be our best option at this point in time.
I have another suggestion. The cheapest solution, in my opinion, is to license our product. We could license our software to foreign distributors as a route to international expansion. I don't know how that sounds. Now we could lose control of our company or just lose everything. What do you guys think?
Well, I don't want to lose the company, so I think we need to start talking to some companies overseas. Foreign venture seems like the best option.
You know, I've actually got a great consulting firm that I can contact this week and see if we can't set up a couple of meetings and get this ball rolling.
That sounds like a good idea.